Beyond 8 successfully concluded its two-day learning experience titled Samvada Discussion to Understand on August 24th and 25th, 2026 at the Beyond 8 Learning Center in Koramangala, Bangalore. The program was designed to help learners look beyond the traditional concept of debates and understand the real value of meaningful discussion, rather than focusing only on winning an argument. Samvada encouraged students to listen carefully, question their own beliefs, understand different perspectives and engage with ideas in a respectful and thoughtful manner. The two-day experience created a unique learning environment where disagreement was not treated as a conflict but as an opportunity to learn and understand. The program was designed as an alternative to the conventional school debate format. Here, students were encouraged not only to present their arguments but also to listen to the other side, ask meaningful questions and reflect on their own thoughts and assumptions. One of the key aspects of Samvada was learning to understand another person's position before responding to it. This encouraged students to pause, listen and think carefully rather than immediately rejecting an opposing viewpoint. The experience began with a Samvada workshop and participant briefing. This was followed by several preliminary discussion rounds where learners explored different subjects and presented their perspectives. On the second day, the program moved into cross-group qualifier rounds. The students then participated in a discussion for the third place before moving towards the final discussion competition. Reflection sessions and discussions with the judges were also an important part of the program. These sessions helped learners look back at their experience, understand what they had learned and think about how their own perspectives had changed during the discussions. Speaking about the initiative, Beyond 8 co-founder Raji Naveen highlighted the importance of developing listening skills along with confidence. She said education should not only give learners the confidence to speak but should also develop the maturity to listen, the curiosity to question, and the humility to accept that they may not always have the complete answer. According to Beyond 8, when learners learn to respectfully disagree with another person without ignoring or dismissing that person, they develop abilities that go far beyond classrooms and debate competitions. They learn how to participate meaningfully in the world around them. For Beyond 8, Samvada is part of a broader approach to learning. The focus is not limited to academic outcomes. The initiative aims to build confidence, self-efficacy, critical thinking, and the ability to engage thoughtfully with the world around them. The two-day experience also demonstrated the importance of creating learning spaces where students are encouraged to express their ideas with confidence while remaining open to reconsidering their views when they encounter strong and meaningful perspectives. The program ultimately showed that a good discussion is not simply about proving who is right. Through Samvada, the learners experienced constructive disagreement as a powerful tool for personal growth and deeper learning. The event concluded on a positive note with students being recognized for their participation and achievements. Certificates and mementos were presented to the participating students as a mark of appreciation for their efforts, involvement, and contribution throughout the two-day learning experience. Samvada 2026 at Beyond 8 in Koramangala, Bangalore, therefore became more than just a discussion program. It became an experience that encouraged young learners to listen before responding, question before concluding, and understand before judging. And that is the larger message of Samvada, discussion to understand.
Okay, so education requires a very first principles approach. Why do we send children to school and what are we trying to achieve? Education is a system we have built as human beings. Learning is something human beings naturally do, right? Education has worked for a long time, but world is changing extraordinarily fast, and I'm constantly thinking perhaps we should give learning a chance and reimagine education. Beyond it is our small attempt to reimagine education around every single learner differently.
I think for long, education has worked on a very systemic approach. Everyone wants to have a say in it. The government wants to have